to my channel. So I'm back at it, you guys, to share with you deals at Walgreens. Now they are starting their new system. I don't see anything in the ad that is explaining their new system, so I don't know what's going on. I do know that their beauty is going away, so we will see what happens if there's anything that's changing. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So here we have the front page. We are getting Scott's paper towels, Scott's toilet paper, and Kleenexes. So there's 3 different deals that you guys can do. They're going to be $5, which is the normal price. You guys want to use a $1.25 off coupon that's going to be in the new Walgreens booklet. So we are getting a new Walgreens booklet. And then you guys are going to get a $1 off coupon, digital coupon. So making those $2.75. You guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you'll get points for that. They also have the Ajax and Palmolive for 99 cents. I know the Ajax is $1 at my store when it's normal price, so there is that. We got the Post and we have Quaker cereal for $1.99. Now we are supposed to get a $1 off a 2 coupon, so you guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $2.98. You get them for $1.49 a piece. Pistachios, you're going to see a lot of deals on pistachios. We are getting Dove coupons, so I'm not sure what coupon to use for the body wash and the deodorant, but there is right there a different deodorant deal and a body spray. Now I'm not sure what Ibotta rebates, Shopkick rebates we can use at that time, but let's just say there are none right now. So what they are is 2 for $10. You guys are going to get a 3 off a 2 coupon. You guys would pay $7. You get a $2 register reward, making them $5 or $2.50. So hopefully we can stack some Shopkick or Ibotta deals with that, and then you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you'll get points with that. They have the Crest toothpaste, so get ready. We're going to get free toothpaste again, you guys. So they're $4. We are getting a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $5, but then you get that $5 register reward, making them free. Here we got the Arm & Hammer, 2 for $6. We did get some coupons, digital coupons, printable coupons, and insert coupons for $1. So you guys will get both of them for $2 a piece. If you guys were interested in Arm & Hammer, I know a lot of you guys love the Arm & Hammer. We are getting gifts of the week. So they have some toys for $9.99, and then they have some glamour blushes. They say it's a $60 value, but it's on price for $40. We will see, but you're going to see a lot of gifts of the week. Here we have, all the facial care is all going to be buy 2, get the 3rd free. So we will see what deals we can do. Here we got Tresemme for $4.99. We are getting a 4 off of 2 digital coupon or inserts. You guys would end up paying $5.98. You get that $2 register reward, making them $3.98 or $1.99 a piece, and you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Hopefully there is a Shopkick deal or some kind of deal along with that, so we can get some really good deals. Now, if any of you guys are 55 or older, you get 20% off regular price merchandise only. So on November 3rd, if you guys are interested with that, I know there's a lot of you guys. We got some nature-made vitamins and supplements, buy one, get one free, plus there's going to be a coupon. So yes, some food deals, nothing really popping out. Soda, 3 for $3. Nothing really popping out. This is a great deal, 2 for $1, but there is no Ibotta deal. When I just checked a little bit ago, it did expire. So otherwise we could have got some good deals on broth. And then here we go. There was some printable coupons for 50 cents, I think. If you guys have those, I'm not sure when the date ends, but you might be able to get a pretty decent deal on gum. We got the Reese's holiday candy. Now they are 4 for $3, and then in the Walgreens booklet you get 50 cents off of 2. That booklet will apply it twice, so basically you'll get 4 of them for $2. That comes to 50 cents a piece. The Toffee Fay is 2 for $10. There is a deal on Ibotta, but it's for $2 off of 2, so you get them for $4 a piece. So not the greatest, but we will see a lot of holiday candy on sale, plus hopefully we can see some coupons floating around. We got some dog treats and stuff. Now that looks like they're getting rid of the Nice brand. I've noticed this over the last several months. So now it's going to just be Complete Home. Your store might still have the Nice brand, which does count, but they're going to be buy one, get two free. So you guys would just pay $2.79. You get the two free. So it comes out to be like 93 cents a piece. I need to stock up on freezer bags. So I might honestly do that deal. I have every other bag except the freezer bags. So just looking at other stuff, you're going to see more toys, buy two, get one free. Maybe, I think around, there are going to be a Black Friday ad coming out soon, so maybe we'll get to see these Squishables. I love my pillow. You guys can usually get these 50% off in the near couple weeks, but I absolutely love it. Then they have Disney ones, which I think are just the cutest little things ever. So here we got, some photo stuff. And you guys, it is the holiday season, so you're going to be seeing a lot of photo deals. I'm going to try to share with you guys photo deals as I see them, even through Shutterfly, even through CVS. As I see them, I'm going to try to share with you guys because I want you to save some money. Definitely save some money. Vitamins, a lot of buy one, get one free, all that jazz. There is a deal that I did mention in the inserts video that we're getting. So here we got Dime Tap, Robitussin, and Theraflu. There might an Advil. There might be some other deals, but we are getting coupons for that. Plus, there is going to be a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that will apply to each one. And if you guys buy two products, you get a $3 register reward. So it looks like there could be some deals, and I've noticed in the past there's been some deals with Saving Stars, so hopefully there's some deals with Saving Stars. Otherwise, if not, we'll still take it for some really good deals on winter medicine that we'll definitely need. Band-Aids, buy one, get one 50% off of the Walgreens brand. So they do have this pain relief. I don't know what brand it is. It's called Valley Meds, but it's for $4. I don't know what's all included. I've never heard of that, but in case you guys need that. More products, we got Poise, buy one, get one 50% off, and then there's $2 off coupons. Now I have the hiccups, so that's just my thing. Diapers, I'm not sure what the price is. I think those are usually 12. Sorry you guys, I can't stop yawning. Those are $12.99. So, give or take. Now here they got build your own gift. You're going to buy 4 mix and match items. You're going to redeem items. So each item is buy one, get one 50% off. Plus we do have coupons that we got in our P&G inserts. And there's some digital coupons, you guys. But you get a $10 gift card via mail-in rebate. I'm not sure what the limit is on that, but I'm going to try to find out for you guys and let you know. But the mail-in rebate is usually a Catalina that prints off. So I thought they were going to get rid of that machine. We will see. Not sure exactly what's going to go on. But here they got more beauty products. A lot of this stuff you will see on sale. So unless you guys really want something really badly, go for it. But just be prepared. They're going to be going on sale over the next couple of weeks. So it looks like we're getting a 4 off of 2 online coupon for Maybelline. Buy one, get one 50% off for Revlon and Almay, plus a $3 register reward. CoverGirl, buy one, get one 50% off. Rimmel, we got buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you guys spend $10 or more, you get a $2 or 2,000 points. Plus, we do have dollar off coupons that we got in our inserts not that long ago. Neutrogena is buy one, get one 50% off. We did get some printable coupons that you guys can use. You get a $5 register reward when you spend $20 or more. And NYX is if you buy 2 products, you get 2,000 points. So I'm not sure, again, what's the beauty thing. We will see. We will see what happens, but I'll still take it. Nexus, we're getting a $5 off coupon. There might be some coupons in our inserts, but you get 10,000 points when you spend $20 or more. So right there, that's $15 if you guys can get $20. My store has it for $19.99 or $24.99. So a little sucks. It sucks like that, but you know what? That's okay. We have some Dove, and then we have Swab, buy one, get one 50% off with some 3 off of 2 coupons. Hopefully we can get some Ibotta deals. I don't know. Usually Ibotta does reset today and tomorrow, so I haven't checked it out yet. But yeah, a lot of Crest deals. We got mouthwash, $3 off a 2 coupon, plus there's a $4 register reward when you buy 2 for the mouthwash. We got some toothpaste, $3 off of 2, and then you get 6,000 points when you spend $12 or more. So it might be only 1 to 3 off of 2. We will see what kind of deals there are. Here we got the Colgate, $3.99. We're getting 50-cent off coupons. You guys would end up paying, you guys would get 2 of them, use that coupon. I didn't write how much it would be. But anyways, you get 4,000 points, which actually you'd pay $6.98. You get 4,000 points, comes up to be $2.98 or $1.49 if you guys were interested in that. I just found registry rewards on my clipboard. Okay, so we're gonna scroll along. They got Love's, not the greatest deal. They do have some diapers on sale. It's okay. They do have laundry care, 4 for $8. That's $2 a piece. And we do have some King Gillette. If you spend $20 or more, you get 10,000 points. Now there was some digital coupons for that. We will see if they're still available by the time that thing happens, but hopefully we can get some good deals. They got Oral-B, and then they got some other Crest whitening. I do know I got some like $10 off coupons. We will see, but it says it's like $49.99 or $39.99, and then you get 13,000 points for buying that. So if you guys do that, that's a little bit out of pocket. Plus, we have some digitals that we can use too. So that is the ad for Sunday, November 1st through 7th. I think there's some really good deals. A lot of repeater deals, but there is some really good deals. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys this Sunday.